This may seem a bit convoluted to set up from the get-go, but this is the setup needed going from nothing to something. Once you get a one or more group set up, it will go faster, both from your experience and from having stuff already in place. But the initial thing you need to decide is what groups are you going to set up. So you start with adding a label that is SAGLM, and there's my cursor, SAGLM for our run code. So right now we only have a page set up. We're going to add another one and we're going to call it color. And this is case insensitive, but we're going to type it out because we are annotating that way. Color as a field labels grouping, whatever. And we're going to save that, and here we go. Now keep in mind that because you are doing this, when you're initially doing this, a lot of your screens may load stuff up when the screen comes up for things that they're dealing with. So you may need to close screens. You may need to close the ERP altogether and just start up again if you don't see what you're expecting to see. Don't get too frustrated. Once you get initial values in place, it will go faster. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Sales Group Maintenance, SAGM. And here's where we say we want to add. Now these labels are not the same as here, but that's just because of the screen was kind of done fast and furious. So we're going to say color, and we're going to call this blue. BLUE, I can spell. Oops, we need to save that. And then we're going to go with, let's copy that so we don't need to redo I'm going to call this one red, and we're going to save that. So we have blue and red, and we're going to copy that again. We're going to call this next one green or brown. Why not brown? So you set up your various colors that you know you want to set up, and you can expand it over time. So if you set up colors for a given product, as you will see for a given thing, and then you come up with new colors, you can just tack it onto the end very easily. So we now have a couple items set up, and we are getting ready to go.